friends, Gator here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm in a little bit different of a setup today, trying out some new areas and testing some lighting and whatnot, but we are in my kitchen, but I'm not sharing anything kitchen related with you today. What I'm gonna be doing is a review and packing video on this Wallace Crosby Hobo bag. You guys have been going crazy over it since my last video and chatting over it on Instagram, so I thought I would just put the camera down right away, get right into a packing video so you guys can see exactly what fits inside. A lot of you were surprised when I decided to keep this pewter color. I'm really happy that I did. I think it's different. I have a good handful of black bags already, so I thought that this would be a good option to keep and kind of have in my rotation heading into like spring and summer. So like I said, this here is the pewter color. This bag also comes in black and no other colors at this time, but I wouldn't be surprised if they come out with them in the future. So right here, right off the bat, I wanna talk about these straps really quickly because I've been playing with them, carrying them like off and on. And to be honest, my favorite way to carry this bag is with this long seatbelt strap. I just kind of throw it over my body like a crossbody, and it's really comfortable, doesn't slide around anywhere. And then I like to have, of course, the chain accent on there. It just looks really, really good. I don't love still this leather strap. I have carried it with it. I don't hate it. It doesn't slide around or anything like that. It actually is super comfortable. It's just like not really my jam, but I really like this strap. And then of course, just kind of using this chain strap here and there. So this one, most of the time, I just kind of have off of my bag there. So as far as exterior pockets, you have nothing here on the front. You just have the Wallace logo right here. And then on the back of the bag, you do have one kind of hidden pocket, I like to call it, just because you can't see the zipper. It's not like exposed unless you were to look down on top of the bag. But on this back pocket here, I do really like it because I can grab, I like all these exterior pockets actually. It just makes it a really organized bag and super functional. But on the back here, all that I have are my keys. And then I also have I actually have a handful of gift cards. My daughter just had a birthday, so one of her gifts was a little shopping day with mom. So I got her a couple gift cards and I have those down in here because we're supposed to be doing that soon. And then I also just have my wallet. I was making sure there's nothing else in there. Yes, my wallet. This wallet here is from Mina Bay. I love it. I go back and forth between this one and my Ondar Denner wallet, which is another really good one. But this wallet here, if I can kind of focus and I'll show you the lighting shadows, but it has a little pocket here on the outside, spots for card here, and then you have a little zipper pocket kind of here, oops, on the inside of the wallet. I just love it because it's super, super thin and fits really easily in a lot of my bags. And I love Mina Bay's leather, so that's great. I used to have, I might even actually still have it, the Dagny Dover accordion wallet. This one really reminds me of that one as far as its profile. Like it's just really, really slim and fits well in a ton of different bags. All right, so that was everything that I had down inside this back pocket here. Turning the bag back around, there is two more exterior pockets and then you have the main pocket of the bag here. In this back zipper pocket here, I just have a couple of candies, Mints High Chews, which has been a current addiction of mine lately. I also have a Z-Bar iced oatmeal cookie because I'm a child and I love those. And then what else? Oh, my phone. I have my phone down in there. 9 times out of 10, as you guys know, I don't really put my phone in my bags, but if I was going to, it was gonna be in this pocket here. If I have leggings on or something, I don't necessarily have a pocket, then my phone can go in there and I can still have this bag on crossbody. So that works out really well. Inside this front pocket here, I have things I grab for all the time, like my hand cream. I also have tucked down in there my Touchland hand sanitizer, and then I have a hair tie and these Altoid strawberry mints that are the bomb. Let me tell you, they're so good. They're basically like candy, but oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure I've bought out every single store around me that sells them. Between me and my kids, I mean, they're really good. Anyways, total side note. Now getting into the main part of the bag here. Nice big zipper. I like that it has a little bit of a tail over here so that you can really open up the bag like nice and wide. I mean, like, look at that. You can fit a ton down in here. You guys will have to let me know what you think about this setup and angle. I don't know that I'm digging this whole shadow that's kind of cast over the top of the bag. Anyways, we'll keep going for now. But right here on the top, I have a sack coin purse. I love this little thing for Valentine's Day. They have a couple other patterns, and I think I have, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have a 20 or 25% off code for the sack, if you guys like that brand, that's live all the time. So I'll put it here if I do. But inside here, I just have my studio earbuds. They fit in there really well. There's also a little tiny kind of pocket back there, which is super cute. So anyways, I like this little thing. I've been using that. I usually use like a link pouch, an MZ Wallace link pouch for my earbuds, but kind of changed it up to that one. Then standing up right here, just kind of in the center of the bag, I have my eyeglasses. Yeah, this is Puppy Life. She terrorized my eyeglass holder, but she did not get the eyeglasses, so it's a win there, but I probably need to get a new case sometime soon. Then right next to it here, I just have a Nina Bay pouch. This is in that same color leather as the wallet. It is tan. I love their pouches. This is a trio, and this is the medium size. So there's a small one that comes in the trio and then a large one. I have been using this medium one for just all of my cosmetic type things for a while now. But inside here, I just pretty much have everything. I have a nail file, I have medicine, I have hair things, I mean, you name it, it's like inside this pouch. You guys get it. It's like all of my small stuff, really. Tucked down in there. I love it. I love their pouches so much. Last but not least, in this main bulk here of the bag, I just have a Erin Condren notebook. I just got this. I'm just now starting to use it. I have been using my phone and my iPad as far as like planning and things, but they just launched a bunch of new notebooks. So I think I'm gonna move into this as far as my content creating and planning, because I love the setup. The whole notebook is set up like this. You have lined pages on one side, and then the other side, you have little boxes. So I think I'm just gonna use it for like days of the week as far as planning out what my content is going to be. So I really like this. This is a regular like 7x9 size. So if you have a life planner from them or a planner that's similar to this, it's gonna fit inside this hobo, no problem. So that is everything I have inside the main bulk here of the bag. I don't have anything in this back zipper pocket, but it is just like a standard MZ Wallace zipper pocket. You have two other little pockets in here. Great for organizing things. I just don't really have a need to use it when I'm using this particular bag in all the pockets. Last but not least, in these little pockets here, you have two like leather lined pockets, just like all their bags. I have some wet ones in there. And then over in this pocket, I have my Tarte lip gloss thing that I use all the time. It's my favorite. And then I also have a pen, and this is from Simplified. Love this little pen. So anywho, that is everything I have inside this bag. I hope it was helpful. I know a lot of you were waiting on this one to see what fits inside. I highly recommend it. I think it's awesome. I was putting the planner I wanted to mention horizontally in here, and usually I put any notebook or planner or book that I have vertically if it will fit in a bag, but by putting it horizontally in this style hobo, when you carry it over your shoulder, I mean, it's empty now, it still like hobos really, really well by sticking things in there horizontally, because you leave all that kind of extra room there at the top. So anyways, I will go ahead and sign off for now. I hope it was helpful. I will have my link as always for MZ Wallace down below and some of the other items mentioned in today's video. But if you have any questions, comments, anything I can help with, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to chat bags. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.